calm. From Monday, Tuesday, there has been not much of reports of violence, but still the contradiction, the problem, the tussle is going on. Now the Kuki side's MLA, we know that on Monday, Biren Singh called a meeting of all the MLAs where 27 MLAs were present and 11 MLAs were absent. Now some of them were obviously, there were some Kuki MLAs also. On 19, they come up with a resolution, the Kuki MLAs, where there are also 8 points, where they also support the AFSPA, the reconsideration of imposition of AFSPA in various thanas that has been done by the central government. That point is okay. Apart from that, they have actually protested on the resolution that has been passed by Biren Singh and the Meiteis MLAs. They have stated that this resolution is totally communal and one-sided. In their resolution, there was a point that Kuki organization which would be declared as militant organization. There, the Kuki side has written on that point that if Kuki organizations are termed as a militant organization or are banned, then Arambai Tengol, which according to the Kukis are also the frontal organization of Meiteis of those group which actually performs all those operations, all those attacks and all. So if Kuki organization is banned, then Arambai Tengol has also to be banned. And there was a demand from the Biren Singh's resolution that the 6 dates and other dates which took place in Jiryebam, there should be of the Meiteis, there should be NIA investigation. Now the Kuki side has placed in that those deaths which has taken place from 2023 3rd May, all those cases should go to NIA. They have also condemned the attack on the MLAs and the ministers, but at the same time they have stated that the resolution which was passed by not the full MLAs, the Kuki MLAs are also part of the Legislative Assembly, and how could one-sided resolution was passed. They have actually protested that. On the other hand, Biren Singh is on his stand that this is a fight between illegal immigrants and people of India. So their stand is required. On the other hand, huge, we know that 70 companies, extra forces have come, and these 70 companies, extra forces have really calmed this place for the timing, though intermittent firing and some protests are still going on. Though we know that Kokumi, which is the Meitei Valley group people, the civil society, they are not happy with the resolution and they want the central government to act immediately. Now central government is keeping a close watch and they are obviously acting as per the situation. First of all, law and order, normalcy and peace, all these things were important. Curfew is there and also internet suspension has been extended, but overall Manipur is better than what it was on last Saturday.